In this video blog, I am explaining how to create a full-featured RESTful API in Django. First, open Postman, the leading REST API demo checker. I have a lot of history. From the history, I am selecting a post request for the demo. Its address is localhost/student. I have to change the name to Peter. Then click the send button. The response message is student created successfully. Wow, we created a student using REST API. Next, we can try the get API. These are the students sent it previously. Teacher name is Mary. Later I will explain how does Mary come instead of 1. Now we can try some filters. Here have manage and name filters. Name NNN. There is only one record. Next manage. Now check limit and offset for pagination. Limit 1, offset 1. Yes, only one record there. I have changed the offset to 0. Wow, now the record is with ID 1. Now we can check the detail API. Get with ID. Student/6. The Peter record, the one we created previously, is appear. Now we can check the put API. I changed the ID to 6. Change the name to Peter 2. Then click send button. Response message student updated successfully. When we click the detail button again, name changed it to Peter 2. Now we can check the delete feature. Delete with ID 6. Press the send button. Student deleted successfully. Now check the detail not found. We can once again check the get API. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Peter 2 record is missing. That is, the delete work properly. Now we can look at how to create this REST API. First, create a folder named REST API. Then open terminal in it. Run some initial commands to create a virtual environment and install Django. Run virtual env space -p Python 3 env to create a virtual env. Virtual env can be used without installed Python without ham or a global Python installation. It will take some time. Please wait. Okay, that is finished. Now run source env bin activate to activate the virtual environment we created. Then run pip install Django. Oh yes, it is installed. Django 2.1.5. Next run Django -admin start project my_proj4 created project. Next run Django admin start up my app to create an app. Pip install Django Rust framework to install Django Rust framework. Django Rust framework is used to create Rust APIs in Django. It is a full-featured library to create Rust APIs. Oh, it is finished.
You can download the full source code from the video description.
Now we can go through the code I have written previously. Open the Rust API folder in Sublime. We can go through the folder structure. There I have my project, my app. Open settings.py in my proj. In the install tabs there have my app and a Rust framework. My app is the one we created. Rust framework is the Django Rust framework. Now in my app folder, open models.py. They have Django DB, import models, Django utilities, import time zone. They have two classes, teacher and student. In the teacher class, fields are ID, name, ID with auto field, primary key, Name is a char field. Max length equal to 500. Blank equal to true. Null equal to true. They have a meta class there. DB table is enabled here. It is the real name comes in the database for the corresponding model table. For student, they have an auto field. Name is char field. Age is integer field. Height is float field. Created at equal to date time field. Class teacher equal to models dot foreign key. Teacher class is set. Teacher class is the previous class. On delete equal to models dot cascade. DB table name is small letter student. Next we can go through serializers.py. From models import student. From REST framework import serializers. There have a class student serializer. Serializer.model serializer with parameter teacher name equal to serializer.char field. Source equal to class teacher.name. Meta student fields are ID, name, age, height, created class teacher, teacher name. In this way, the one came as Mary in the get output. Foreign keys are referred like this. Serializer char field. Class teacher is the field name in student model. Class name is the field in parent teacher class. We can call class teacher dot name with a char field parameter serializers dot char field. If it is a boolean field, that will be serializers dot boolean field. We can go through the views.py. Django core import serializers, models import student, REST framework response import response, REST framework generics import create API view, REST framework views import API view, REST framework import status, REST framework response import response, dot serializers import student serializer, Django core paginator import paginator, empty page not an integer, Django.http import http 404, class student list view create API view. There have methods like post, get, delete, put. These all are a REST API. For the case of student list view, serializer class is student serializer, model equal to student. In the get method, self and request are the arguments. Meta equal to defined as a dictionary, q equal to another dictionary. If min underscore age in request dot get q dot update age underscore get request dot get min age. This is for filtering our API min age parameter. Age underscore gt means age greater than. Name underscore contains means the string contains in it. Meta count equal to student objects filter ** q dot count means the filtered count will be stored in meta of count. If not meta of count greater than 0, response code is no data, else response code equal to success. Obj list equal to student.objects filter star star q. That is, the object list once again filtered by star star q. If limit in request get and offset in request get, limit equal to int request get limit, offset equal to int request get offset. That is for pagination. If limit and offsets are present, that is paginated using limit. Page equal to into offset divided by limit plus 1. Set the offset. Try object list equal to paginator dot page of page, except page not an integer. Object list equal to paginator dot page of 1, except empty page. Object list equal to paginator dot page, paginator dot num pages. If object list has next meta next offset equal to page into limit, the next offset will in the student serializer pass object list when equal to true data. Then in the response, data and meta dictionaries are passed with the status as NP 200 OK. In the post method, they have arguments self, request args, kw args, serializer equal to self dot get serializer data. That is, the request dot data converted to serializer date. Serializer data. Serializer is called for is it a valid data. Self dot perform create return response message student created successfully. Else return response message. The join serializer this block will convert the rest framework errors into a single string. Now we can go through the student detail view. There have a get object method there. In it, student objects dot get pk equal to pk. That is, if id is passed to it, it will reference the corresponding student object. This get object is using in entire student detail view class. In the get method, only calling get object method and returning its serialized value data to a response. In the put method, like early, in the student variable get object with the pk, the passed pk is stored in the student variable. In the serializer, student serializer with the request data, check it is it valid. Then if it is valid, serializer dot save will call. Response message is there, student updated successfully. This is we seen in the postman earlier. The error, there will be error message, and the serializer error message will be joined a single string and passed to output response. In the delete method, we can see pk self request student equal to self dot get object pk, then call student dot delete. Then in the message, student deleted successfully. Oh yes, we have finished the core functionalities of REST API. For your convenience, I am scrolling down the code once again to view the full code. Now in my project urls.py we can check what are the contents. From my app, import views. Views are imported here in the URL palette folder. Student and student with PK URLs, or student views.student view as view, or URL student detail view. These both classes are we defined in the views.py. Now check how to run this code. So CNV bin activate. Oh, there has spelling mistake there. Yeah, there are space in between env and bin activate. Source env / bin activate. Yes, env is activated. Then python manage.py make migrations to create the tables from the model. No changes detected because I have already run the migration. For your then python manager.py migrate. Open the DB SQLite 3. I am using SQLite 3. Open the teacher class. Add 1 equal to Mary because we have referenced it in post records of student. If no record in teacher table with ID 1, there will cause error. So we must create a record with primary key 1 in teacher table primarily. Then python manage y run server. Oh yes, our server is ready. Now we can check using Python. Subscribe this channel for more videos.